All right, here we are out on a Sunfish. Da, 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 da. Doing some sailing practice. Tammy's actually, you know, she's never really mastered sailing a dinghy, so we're getting some practice in here. I don't think you've ever sailed solo, have you? Ever? That's kind of what we're shooting for here. Just trying to get her comfortable.
Okay, so...
You want to tack?
Yeah. But, well... Wait, let me get around this buoy.
That little orange speck you see back there is Molly chasing us down on a kayak.
Okay.
Ready to tack?
Ready.
All right, hit it. Push it all the way over. All the way, all the way, all the way. All right, move your body. Yep. Get that rehooked. Grab the tiller. Straighten it out. You got a little rope problem back there. That's not your fault. You got a buoy you're about to run into right there. See, this is why we train. And this is an excellent situation here. Look at that. We are going, I think, half a knot. Oh, great job, honey.
Thank you.
All right, there, we got the wind. See, all right, so the tricky part when you tack is you want to end up at like the optimal angle that you want to shoot off at, you know what I mean? So you're not really hunting for that angle once the sail. Go, Buzz Molly, go closer. Oh, here we go. Oh, don't go this way. Don't T-bone her, buzzer. Watch out, Molly, save yourself. You are so stinking cute.
Thank you. You're being very distracting.
Hey, that's good. Hey, throwing in all these distractions just makes you better. We just picked up Molly. She's along for the ride now. The bow is about to go underwater from her significant girth. Not really. Captain Tambi's taking good care of us. If she could just remember which one is a tack and which one is a jibe, I think we'd be okay. We're getting there. It's all part of the fun, honey.
Well, it's easy to remember when we're like, when I can see where the wind's coming from.
Yeah. Got a couple flags up there that we have for a reference. Teaching her how to do that.
Okay, you ready?
What you gonna do? Tell me what's happening first.
Tacking.
Okay, all right, good. All right, push it. Nice. Move your body. You're moving your body a little fast.
Okay.
You really want to wait until the wind is out of the sail before you move your body, because you're still putting yourself in a little danger of like a gust coming when you sit down on this side and the sail is still full on that side. You know what I mean? You want to try to do that body movement kind of when the sail is going over your head. Okay. That way it's not loaded. Okay. You know what I mean? Yeah. Does that make sense? Yeah. You're still super cute.
Thank you. Fuzzy bills.
Yeah, there's these little green bugs here. Yeah, midges or fuzzy bills. All this stomping you hear, it's really taken away from the tranquility of sailing.
Sorry, but they're landing all over me. If
there's some kind of bug in Tambi's proximity and it is unwanted, then it's basically going to experience a painful death. Yeah. As she beats it to an absolute pulp. She doesn't want it just dead, she wants it in pieces.
Whoa.
Let's sail out, let's sail out. There you go, good girl. Yep, that's what you do in a gust. You gotta ease that sail out. That, if you were gonna flip, that's how you're gonna flip. Is, you know, some big gust comes along and you just, you know, you freeze up and you don't let that sail out. But whatever, if you flip, that's a great learning experience. All right, bring the sail in a little bit. We want to get our momentum up a bit so we can tack.
I can't do that one-handed.
It is tricky. This is kind of a funky little system here. All it is a little hook down there with a little kind of a friction cleat on either side. It's nice though. I mean,
okay. Tack would be.
You're gonna push the tiller away from you.
Right. Okay.
You were going through the wind.
This way.
Yep. Now wait. Now move. Boom. That was better. What you did before wasn't bad. It's just kind of risky because you're moving while the sail is still loaded, you know? A big gust comes along and it would just flip you over onto your back. What do you think, Molly? Is that good instruction? I don't know. I've learned all this stuff from experience. I was never taught by a professional. comes some breeze. If you want to go faster, sheet it in more. If we go much faster, the bow might go under though. Yeah. We only have a couple inches up there on the front. We were doing okay until Molly got on with us. 3 on a Sunfish is a lot, Molly. You want to just hop off and help us shed a little weight? No. No? Okay.
If I get my body in the water, I'll make it go slow.
Yeah, that's true. I think we might be able to pull you with this wind though. This is good sailing wind. 10, 12 knots, something like that maybe.
Okay. Tacking.
All right, here comes the tack, folks. Yeah, push. Wait. Move. Yep. Nicely done, babe. Boom. Best one yet, darling. Hit me. Hit me with your free hand. Whoa, hey, don't let go of the tiller. Hit me with your free hand.
I don't have a free hand.
Give me a boom. Oh, nasty. You got dead fuzzy bill on my fingers. You rock, girl. You're gonna be ripping around here by yourself tomorrow. It's happening. Say it.
Oh, it's happening.
Boom. So today is a big day because this is the day when Tambi sails solo for the first time ever. And you know, Tambi's done a little bit of practicing. We made a little video of us just cruising around a couple days ago, and we never really intended to make an actual video out of it. But I think it's kind of a special occasion, right?
Yep.
So we have a little bit of a challenge for Tambi. And by the way, we are here at the Linden Marina here at Utah Lake in Orem, Utah. All right, I'm going to explain the course that Tambi will be sailing as part of her solo sailing mission here on the Sunfish. She's going to leave this little dock that we're on. She's going to go to the end of this line of boats where there is a red buoy. She's going to leave that buoy to starboard, go over here to this other buoy. She is going to circle this one, leaving it to port. Then she is going to come all the way down between this line of boats and the breakwater that's on the other side, make a 180-degree turn, come back out of the line of boats, circle back around here, and dock the boat successfully without crashing it into the dock.
Yeah.
All right, sailor. There she goes. That's my baby. I'm so proud. All right, let's go set up for another shot as she goes around the buoys. There she is, rounding buoy number 1. She's in irons a little bit.
Sailed.
She's kind of, her next direction that she needs to go is straight into the wind, but she's in irons, so she's got to figure this out. I think she's got it. She's working on the angles. She actually needs to kind of tack towards me to get a better angle on this fairway. Let's see if she can get this sorted out. All right, she is. I think she's run into the buoy now. That's okay, folks. This is all part of the show. There she goes. All right.
Here we go.
All right, now she's got it. Make a little more ground in this direction, and then she'll be set up to run down that fairway. Now she has another thing on her mind now, which is this sailboat over here. I don't think it should be too much of a problem, but it's definitely something she's thinking about. Alright, she's in the fairway, doing her tack. Headed back out. Alright. Now comes the part that she is most concerned with, which is docking maneuvers. She's doing so good though. Alright, let me dismount so I can set up for the shot. Here I am at the dock. There is Tambi out yonder making her approach. Oh, that was smooth. Nice job, sailor.
Thank you. Thank you.
What would you like to say to the people? You know, anything, you know, anybody you want to thank for this? Anybody who is inspirational or, you know, that kind of thing?
No.
Dude, give me some. Come on, come on.
Thank you for helping me learn how to sail.
Oh.
Giving me the push that I needed.
You got it, baby. Give me 5.
Ah!
All right. Well.
Okay.
Oh gosh, it looks like you're going again.
Okay.
All right. See you later, Tambi.